Did they just call you? Yeah, I'm third. Did they call you though? Yeah. Okay. I'm third. Come on, boy. Grab it. 10. Are you serious, though?
No.
I ran a 5.2. I was like, oh. No.
Emmy, you're on video. Yeah, I just videoed you going in and turning around. I know. Lindsay, Jamie, Anna.
No, what he's doing. How many more classes are there?
No idea, like.
I think it's almost over.
There's 6 running classes, and then there's their exhibitions and the ones for the older people. Yeah, like Emily. Oh, I didn't even video it. Next up is Sammy. Wait, did they call me?
Yeah, they called you.
Oh, okay. Arena race. Go! Oh, no. She fell.